Hello, good day once again. This is Maestro Sani para sa isang napakahalagang topic o sa araw na ito kasi napapanahon marami gustong magpa-promote. And our topic for today at bago po natin umpisahan, ako po yung humihiling ng isang pag-like or pag-subscribe sa aking YouTube channel. Kung mabigat naman po ang pag-subscribe, ay pwedeng pakipindot na lang po ang like at share ng ating video for today. So our topic is all about how a DepEd teacher can be easily promoted. So isa po sa mga hinihintay ng mga kasamahan nating guro ay ang promotion at paano nga po ma-promote. Ito po isa sa mga pinakamahirap or mahirap na journey para sa mga kasamahan nating teacher. So I listed 10 na mga steps or ways on how to be promoted. Pero isa-isahin po natin. So for today's video, nandito po yung ating 10 steps or ideas on how to be promoted. Una, education, length of experience, training and more training, coordinatorship and other ancillary designations, research, school projects, being an event official or coach, technology advancement, school record, humility, and good leadership. Ayan. So, before we'll going to the first, so isa-isahin po natin kasi masyadong mahaba po pag ginawa po nating isahan tong video na ito. Ano po? Pero bago ang lahat, I just want to read the simple introduction of this video. So, promotion and upgrading of teachers after a years of service and or further studies are very essential in the working life of a teachers as other formal employees. This is because promotion and upgrading serve as motivational means for hard work and high productivity. However, they do not come without challenges. So syempre wala pong madali, ano po. Lahat po ay pinahihirapan tayo sa lahat ng mga gawain natin, syempre promotion especially. So we have to face challenges. Then it is every individual teacher's dream to get promoted immediately in his or her post. Promotion is both a symbol of being efficient and active in your field of work. Promotion also is as well as advancement in a position that will raise your salary. So isa din yon. Then today, I will give you the different ways on how to be promoted in Department of Education easily. So if you get this presentation sa mga kapareho ko pong master teachers dyan, you can ask me this presentation kasi pwede po itong gamitin as topic for LAC session, especially sa mga kasamahan nating gustong magpa-promote. Kasi may mga nakausap po akong mga teachers sa ibang school or sa other divisions, wala daw po silang nakakausap on how they will get their promotion. So sabi ko kaya po isa ito sa mga naging project ko to make a video para maipakita or maihalayhay ang bawat kakailanganin natin for promotion. So ayan. So today uunahin po natin syempre ang pinaka-basic. This is the primary requirement for promotion ng ating education, advanced education. Ano po? So, we have our 4 years of bachelor degrees given, di ba? Ano na yun? We finished that 4 years degree in education para maging teacher, para makapasok po tayo sa DepEd. But it is not enough. We must elevate our educational status to the highest level. In other words, we need to be a master degree holder or even a doctorate degree holder. Then after which, we will finish the doctorate in education for a much higher position. So ito po kasi yung pinaka primary requirement for promotion ng ating education. So ngayon, especially pagka halimbawa head teacher, ayan, malaki ang points po sa education. Pero sa master teacher, it's just a basic. It is just part of the the requirements for promotion. So gateway, ang education, ang advanced education po natin is the gateway of a higher position in DepEd. So, ang pinaka-basic po natin, dapat matapos po natin, isingit po natin, kasi alam ko, we are very busy doing all the paperworks. At least kahit pa paano ngayon, medyo binabawasan tayo, pero nandyan pa rin. It's part of our work as teachers. But then, kailangan po nating uh, i-push through ang ating advanced education. So, yan po yung unang pinaka-primary requirements ng promotion for DepEd, ang ating educational attainment. Para sa mga susunod po nating video, abangan po. At ito po ay susunod-sunod ko, magkakaroon po tayo ng 10 episode with regards to the ways on how a DepEd teacher can be promoted. So, sa ngayon po, babay po muna at maraming salamat po sa panonood at pakikinig.